I'm Rayshawn Green. I'm Assistant Director of Admissions with Centura College campus in Chesapeake, Virginia. Our school is designated for the student that needs that smaller classroom environment, someone that needs that more personalized time, that one-on-one time with the instructor. It's people from different walks of life, people that haven't been in school for years. It's fast-paced, short amount of time, and gets them out there working in the field that they want to be in. I'm really that point person, that beginning stage for them. And just seeing their reaction on their face when they see the labs, they see the classrooms, they figure out what it is that they really want to do, fulfills me on a day-to-day basis. The popular programs I know for Centura College is medical assisting. That's kind of the door opener for a lot of people that want to be in the medical field. And then business, we have business as well. There's always a need for those that are in the medical field, as well as our business programs as well. Business is so widespread. Everything's a business. So just having that degree or certification under their belt ultimately impacts their future for the better. They really want to get to something that they love to do on a day-to-day basis. And knowing that they can get that in a less amount of time motivates them even more to really dive in and take control of their lives for the better. We're fulfilling a need. Some of our students aren't really ready to take on a university setting, so they need that more personalized experience, and we provide that. And I know for a fact we're impacting a community that needs us and needs our programs to provide a better life for themselves. My name is Rayshawn Green. I work with Centura College, and we connect communities and careers.